You know what? I got mine too.
Stop! No! Fucking videotaping shit.
Look, I got mine too.
I got 3 squares left.
Oh yeah, right there.
Yeah, you got to before.
What'd she say?
Voila!
Y'all about to go outside. I gotta go find my squares real quick. I stash them. Look at that shit right under the couch. Yeah, don't tell nobody. Fucking eggs. Can't see it, but it's sausage. All my ghetto fried motherfucking shit. And just, you know, everything shit like that shit. So it don't even really motherfucking matter. Watch out, y'all. See?
Oh,
That's the peaches right there.
third letter of the alphabet, that's a C.
Well, I hope it's a fucking cat.
Sure.
That's a fucking cougar right there.
Well, you gotta sit in front of the Trade spots for me.
Yeah. Stop fucking videotaping shit.
I'm doing shit on YouTube.
No, you're not.
It's like, this ain't gonna tell me it's my birthday
Don't.
today.